inspection experience was really positive. Part of the reason for that was the regularity of communication and plenty of opportunity for professional discussion. The inspection team created a really positive environment with our staff and students, both here at the university and also out in our partner school. The whole process felt very collaborative. The two-way conversation between partnership staff and the inspection team was robust, thorough and informative. Inspectors were really prepared to listen and follow up where necessary. It was really positive to be able to provide a context for the inspection and how initial teacher education fits in with the wider school and university priorities. There was lots of opportunity for us to celebrate the good features of the partnership. We were able to, for example, negotiate dates of visits to partner schools and the university in order to see the partnership at its best. In addition to this, we were able to highlight specific events that were going on throughout the academic year. And where possible, the inspection team came in to have a look at some of these additional events. All of the meetings with the inspection team were collegiate and probing. Inspectors were welcoming and created the right environment to enable colleagues and students to really engage with the inspection process.